See the fridge here. Bocha. Yes.
How much you say you dey sell them?
Just 10,200.
What is the 200 naira doing there?
See, that 200 is more important than the 10,000. You don't know.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I see this thing. You didn't need to. I see this thing for your WhatsApp status. I think it's a joke.
Are they joke?
What? 10 2.
Yeah.
Why you want to sell them?
I don't finish school now, so I say make I sell them. I relocate, they go Anambra. I want to sell everything.
Yeah, Anambra boy.
Yes.
10 2.
Yeah, 10 2.
This fridge, 10 2.
Yeah.
You sure say now you get this fridge? I be you Tifa. Which one be 10 2?
Okay, which one beside? I don't like tea for eye.
No.
I bet no if not even buy.
Sorry. Sorry. Now,
see person who I want pity may him forget fridge for your house.
No, I'm a comedian. I was only joking with you now. Hey, Chairman. Okay, 10 2.
Yes, 10 2.
Okay, now I'm run transfer for you.
No refund after payment. Oh yeah, they transfer. Make I the account number.
Yeah. When I call your account number
010 252.
Yes, come in. What's up?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
I'm good. I'm very, very tired. I need something, chill.
Okay, feel at home. You can get something from the fridge.
Okay, let me do that.
Feel at home.
Oh my God.
What is it?
Oh, you just shocked me.
Shock, okay.
Yes.
No, maybe it's from your imagination. You don't start this your last born behavior.
I'm serious. They just shocked me.
Madam, collect something from fridge or some shocking me.
I'm not going to your fridge again. It's shocking me.
You quite bad, but serious.
I told you that it's shocking.
You would have stopped me from going there now.
It's not my fault now. I told you. Where did you even get this fridge from?
I'm coming. This boy, they play with me.
Look at my hand.
Hello, Zubi. I beg you fit come to my house now. Just yes, come. It's very urgent. Biagodu. No one is different now. Biagodu. So sorry, oh. You tell me sorry. If I say sorry, you say sorry.
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 No.
Sorry.
No.
Yes, let's two of us. They say sorry to each other.
Sorry, oh.
Sorry, you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
It's okay. It's paining me. No matter this 2 times. The one is 1.
Hey, you need to sorry. Sorry.
Do. Yeah, you blow it. Yeah, blow. Yes, blow it very well.
One day. How far now? You called me.
Yes. I beg help me bring water from this fridge so that you understand better.
Okay. Is it a water?
Water.
Okay. No problem. Take.
So you know say this thing they shock. You carry and give me.
Nothing they there now. You go just buy this red hand glove. 800. Oh. Buy bedroom slippers 500. You want okay?
Oga, give me my money. Carry your fridge. They go. I no want wahala.
You don't forget what I tell you. No refund after payment. I will come out. I see consultant will develop. I see consultant will develop. Onu kule kudeku. Akazi mele kwa modi. Mkule wazela boga ulonu. Iwe fulo kandeku. Iwo kiwo na.